Hi everyone, this is Molly Thompson here to give you a tour of my Weebly website. Here we have the home page, which kind of gives you an idea of what my entire website is about, some of the items that I'll be talking about. These 4 subjects here are resources that I provide. Got a quote here, and then you can follow me on my social media. And next we have the About Me page. And this kind of gives you an idea about me personally and my experience with this topic. Here you can find my poster with my QR code that will link you to my Instagram page. So you're welcome to use that as a resource as well. Here I have my contact page. If you have any questions or concerns, you're welcome to give them to me because I'm just here to help. That's what I want to do. And so if we look at the resources page here, you can see that first of all we have a drop-down menu that leads to breathing, art, journal, and quotes. And if we click on the actual button resources, I've also created links to all of these. And this resources page is just to link you to some of the things that I found to be useful. I have an infographic here to show that if you have a mental illness, then you're not alone. So here we have a breathing page, which I find to be helpful. Breathing exercises will be posted. An art page where I will provide coloring pages and different art exercises. A journal page which will link you to a free online journal. And I've included 10 writing prompts to help you get started on your journey of journaling, which I hope that you will make a daily thing. And then a section called quotes, which honestly I just think, you can print them out and put them on your walls, on your desk, wherever you want them to go. So my QR code and logo will also be visible there. So that is a tour of my
website. The
website.
definition. All you need is just the word of the license, like attribution. Then in the second column, you need the URL of the picture.
Happy browsing.
And then the thumbnail is you